Hello students, welcome back to commercial arithmetic class. So in previous class we had seen formula to calculate annuities. So today we'll begin with the problems. The first problem is find the present value of an immediate annuity of rupees 2500 per year for 20 years at 4% per annum. So in this question they have asked present value. So the formula for present value is an equal to a by I into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus I whole raised to n. So in this question an is asked. Here a, that is the annual payment, is given as 2500 per year and the rate of interest is 4%, that is 4 by 100, which is 0.04, and number of annual payments is for 20 years. Therefore your n is 20. So we got all the terms required to find out the present value. Make sure you write the formula and then substitute the values. So an equal to 2500 divided by 0.04, and make sure you convert it into the value, don't keep it in percentage. So 4 by 100 is 0.04. Then into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 plus 0.04 whole raised to 20. So when you divide 2500 by 0.04, it is 62,500, and into 1 minus 1 divided by 1.04 whole raised to 20. So for this, type 1.04 in your calculator, then press into symbol and equal to symbol for 19 times. You will get the answer of 1.04 whole raised to 20, which is 2.1911. So then simplify, you will get an as 33,975. So that is the present value. So the second problem is very similar to the first one. Find the present value of an immediate annuity of rupees 500 per year for 10 years at 3% per annum. Here your a value is 500, I is 0.03, that is 3%, and n is 10 years. Therefore simplify, you'll get the present value as 4,265. So the third question is, a loan is repaid in 4 equal annual installments of rupees 4,279.2, including principal and interest at 5.5% per annum. The first installment being paid 1 year after taking the loan. What was the amount of loan? So in this question they have asked to calculate an, given that the annual payment is rupees 4,279.2, which is your a, I is 5.5%, and n is 4, that is he is gonna pay in 4 equal annual installments. So substitute in the formula, you will get approximately the amount of loan to be 15,000 rupees. So the last problem for today is, a person entitled to a pension of rupees 40,000 per year for 10 years wishes to commute it at the time of retirement. How much would he get as the commuted amount, reckoning interest at 6% per annum? So here the word commute means instead of making an yearly payment, you want to get it in one payment, that is in a lump sum payment. So you have to find out how much the person gets at the time of his retirement. Here a is 40,000, so every year he is gonna pay, that is the pension is 40,000. For how long he is gonna get? It is for 10 years, and the interest is for 6%. So write the formula and substitute all the terms. You will get an as 2,94,400 rupees. So this is the amount he is gonna get at the time of retirement. So in the next class we'll solve some more problems on the concept of annuity. Thank you.